When taking omega-3 fatty acids 1000 mg capsules, make sure to follow the directions on the label and take it by mouth as directed. If you're using the enteric-coated capsules, swallow them whole, and if you're using the chewable form, chew thoroughly before swallowing. If you're using the liquid form, be sure to measure the dose carefully with a special measuring device/spoon. Do not use a household spoon as it may not provide the correct dose. Some brands may need to be shaken well before use. If your condition persists or worsens, or if you believe you have a serious medical issue, seek medical assistance immediately. Some common side effects of taking omega-3 fatty acids 1000 mg capsule include fishy aftertaste, nausea, bloating, or burping. If these effects persist or worsen, consult your doctor or pharmacist. If your doctor has prescribed this product, it's because they believe the benefits outweigh the potential side effects. Most people using this medication do not experience serious side effects. However, seek medical attention if you experience easy bleeding or bruising. Although rare, a serious allergic reaction may occur. Seek immediate medical help if you notice symptoms such as rash, itching/swelling, severe dizziness, or trouble breathing. This is not a complete list of possible side effects, so if you experience any other effects, contact your doctor or pharmacist. As for the optimal timing, it's best to take omega-3 fatty acids 1000 mg capsule as directed by your doctor. Before taking omega-3 fatty acids, it's important to talk to your doctor or pharmacist if you have any allergies to fish or if you are allergic to any inactive ingredients in the product, such as peanut or soy. If you are pregnant, only use this medication if clearly needed and discuss the risks and benefits with your doctor. It's also essential to consult your doctor before using this product if you are breastfeeding. When it comes to the daily dosage, the recommended amount of omega-3 fatty acids in a 1000 mg capsule is usually 1 or 2 capsules per day. It is best to take them with a meal to help with absorption. And the optimal timing for taking this medication is usually in the morning or with your first meal of the day. It's important to be aware that omega-3 fatty acids 1000 mg capsules may interact with other medications, which could potentially affect how well your medications work or increase your risk for serious side effects. Be sure to keep a list of all the products you use, including prescription and non-prescription drugs, as well as herbal products, and share this list with your doctor and pharmacist. It's crucial to always seek your doctor's approval before starting, stopping, or changing the dosage of any medicines. If you suspect an overdose or experience serious symptoms such as passing out or trouble breathing, it is important to seek immediate medical attention. In the U.S., you can call your local poison control center at 1-800-222-1222, and in Canada, you can call a provincial poison control center. During your use of omega-3 fatty acids 1000 mg capsule, you may be required to undergo lab or medical tests, such as cholesterol and liver function tests. It is important to attend all scheduled medical and lab appointments. If you have any concerns, it's best to consult your doctor for more information. If you forget to take a dose of this product on your regular schedule, take it as soon as you remember. If it's close to the time for your next dose, just skip the missed dose and take the next one at your regular time. Don't take a double dose to make up for the missed one. Make sure to check the storage information on the package before storing the omega-3 fatty acids 1000 mg capsule. It's important to keep it protected from light and moisture, so avoid storing it in the bathroom and don't freeze it. Keep the capsules away from children and pets. When it's expired or you no longer need it, be sure to properly discard the product. You can consult your pharmacist or local waste disposal company for the best way to do so. If you need more help, call your doctor for medical advice. In the U.S., you call FDA, 1-800-FDA-1088. In Canada, you may call Health Canada, 1-866-234-2345. Wishing you good health. Thanks for watching.